Meron nga sa harapan. Meron nga sa harapan. Nasa likod ko kasi balcony.
Oh, bago to ah. Tara.
Tama na. Oh, ayun ba yung ano? Ano tawag doon? Like sneak peek ng bagong lugar.
Maybe. Ang cute ng bagong map. Wait, puro mushrooms. Oh.
Shrooms.
Oh, may mga gagamba, I bet. May mga malalaking gagamba.
Oh, may rope na ulit.
Yung kulot ako sa mata mo.
If may gagamba, sisigaw ako.
Paano sigaw?
Demonstrate nga.
Alam mo, yung malakas yun.
Oh my god, ang galing.
Wow. Nasa
Thank you,
thumbs
pre.
up
Thank
ko.
you, pre.
Oh yeah.
I should go.
Gumagana ba
I
mic mo,
should start
Prince?
acting, pre.
Okay, hindi gumagana mic mo.
I think that's a no. I think that's a no.
Okay na.
Hello?
Ayun, hello.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hello?
I forgot, ginawa kong push to talk yung mic kasi kanina,
Yung last game. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano nangyari?
Yung mic ni Je, hindi gumagana in-game. So nag-Discord na lang kami.
Ah. Okay, let's go.
Restart ko na. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Gusto niyo mag-ascent?
Try natin.
Pwede.
Ano yung ascent pala? Ano yung first ascent?
I don't know.
Hide. Ewan ko.
Fall damage is greater. Ayun yung nakasulat.
Wala?
Oh, ano nangyari, Prince? Ano nangyari?
Grabe yung crash landing na yun. May binoculars ah. Binoculars.
Uy! Fortified milk? Bago to ah.
Eto, so tira mo to sa likod ko. Binoculars.
Coconut.
Oh my god, you're ugly.
Ay,
What?
That is a
What I do, pre? Also, ano ba yun? Bing bong. Can we at least like tapusin natin yung bing bong
Sana magawa natin.
quest?
Kaya, I'll grab the view bro. Para sa capybara.
Sana makita na.
Wait! Kayo nga humawak kay bing bong. Kada pag lagi kong hinahawak si bing bong, nakakamatay ako.
Okay.
Wait, wag sa akin. Lalo na ako.
Pwede ako naman.
Lahat yan puro pagkain by the way. Pag
Wait.
ikaw namatay, Prince, we will start to death.
Anong level yung ano? Yung 3 thingy.
Probably random ulit. Random probably.
Hindi, baka ma-replace ng desert eh.
Coconut.
I see it.
Coconut.
Over there,
Ba't hindi
over
maka-
Oh, where?
Go in. Remember guys.
Over there.
Where?
Where? Saan? Ayun.
I don't see it.
You know, I haven't given up. Parang happy birthday tong view ko.
Tandaan ko, naglaro, alam mo yung Roblox game, friends? Tanda mo yung Roblox game?
Anong Roblox?
Yung may trump, yung may banjo, yung, tas may cart.
Oh, coconut.
Yung train.
Tawag dun?
Meh.
Dead Rails.
Yeah, Dead Rails.
Oh, I know that game.
Yeah. Tandaan ko, ano ba yun, locked in ako nyon. Naka-AFK lang ako, i-play yung tinggang. Buong game.
Lamig po.
Meron na kayong coconut? Kumain na kayong coconut?
Yes, meron na.
Wala pa.
Meron gusto mga friends.
Uy,
Aray ko!
yes. Yes.
Say,
My bad.
here comes the airplane.
Dang.
Wow.
May coconut ship sa neck niya.
guys.
Yo.
May new emotes.
What? O nga no.
Oh,
Yo!
backflip.
Wait, back!
Yo!
Nakakahilo.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Shimmy! Did we shimmy?
Crash out.
Bully?
Gosh,
Wait, ano yung bully? No,
Come here, come here.
it's over.
Ano yung flex?
Oh,
Crash out?
it's that one emote in Fortnite.
Whoa!
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Gogi. Oh, you can fall. Dude, do not backflip pag nasa cliff ka ng mga ganun. You can actually fall from this.
Oh my god, cinema! Wait, cinema! This is peak. This is
Meron?
cinema.
Oh, may cinema.
Oh, yeah. Cinema.
Backflip daw.
I love the shimmy.
Friend,
Shimmy,
we're
shimmy.
wasting so much time.
Ayun nga pala. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
So by the way, just take this. Baka just in case lang.
Ano?
Should-
Oh, coconut.
The bugle. Sa likod mo.
I'm a... What? I'm a throw?
Ayaw.
Ikaw.
What? You don't wanna?
Ikaw mag... Ikaw mag... Hold lang.
Ano yung binato mo,
I
Prince?
have too much stuff to do. Ayaw ko mag-throw eh. I don't know why. Holding Q.
Guys, if I had a cannon, we would be up there instantly.
But
You
you
haven't-
don't, pre.
I
Yung
don't.
debate parang ano, yung canyon. Na,
Oh yeah, yeah, it's one of the achievements. Alam mo yung last game
When
natin,
we're climbing
Prince?
this, we can walk around it.
Yung huli namin atan, laro namin tatlo eh. Ay natin pinaka mahirap eh. We were mad struggling.
Bagong isang item. Sabihin ko ba or like...
May guess wag muna. Nakita ko na rin yung iba eh.
Yung ano yun? Ano yung pinag-usapan niyo?
There's
Items.
as well.
Oh, meron nga fortified milk. Ayun yung isa sa mga bago.
Wait, lakas ako ng volume.
Max na kayo sa akin. I don't know why you guys are still so quiet.
Malayo ako sa mic. Sorry.
Si Prince yung pinaka-quiet.
Wait, hold on. Said...
Hmm?
Never mind.
Eh?
We are pushing each other, Prince.
Over here,
Oh,
over here.
what if you
Whoa!
shake, no drop? Thank you.
I got you.
Shake, no drop.
Thanks, man.
I got you. I got you.
Oh, luggage. Over there, over there.
Where?
Saan? Ayun. Oh my god,
Kanan?
yun.
There's two.
Alam mo, parang ZZZ lang yan. May chance na makuha mo ka. Parang si Vivian.
Ako na si Vivian.
Frank.
45.
I'm good.
Oh, is pa-
Ang dami pa pala. May isa pa doon sa taas ah.
Uy.
Yeah, I'll grab it, I'll grab it.
10 full, 10 full.
Gold, gold, gold!
Sino ba?
Gold.
Natampitan. What that?
Uy, meron pa dito.
Oh, puno na ako eh.
I don't want this. Why do I have the book?
Achievement.
Oh, what achievement do I get?
The crab helmet.
Oh, you need it para sa ano? Sa... Wait, ano? May piton dito. Sino may storage?
I see them.
Ayan din? Ano,
I don't know.
achievement?
Hindi ko alam. Kinuha ko lang.
Stop, bro!
Sasa yun. Uy, may piton dito. Ayaw nyo?
Don't leave me.
May piton dito. Ayaw nyo.
Walang kumukuha sa Oda. Tara na.
Wala, dude. We're
Okay.
right, we're over here. Grab it.
Over where?
Anong
Over
emote
here.
yun yung kay ano, Homer?
Ang nga said, ayun nga yun. It's over.
Okay. Oh my god, wait. Oh, I wanna do it.
Wait, I just took damage. Oh, grabe naman yun. I barely fell. Wait.
Do we go left or right?
Ano?
Snake.
Ang layo.
Meron kang health pack?
No. I have this.
Oh,
Soda,
my
help me.
Thank you, bro.
Soda.
Okay.
Soda.
Ha?
Dude, ang sakit.
Okay.
I have... Wala na. Shit.
Our food.
Dude, I dropped. Ang lakas ng damage agad.
Alam mo yung emote ni Homer?
Yeah?
Come here.
Yeah. Ano?
Oh, whoa!
Pag gawin,
I'll get
it's over.
I don't get it. Anong ginawa ng 45 milk?
Bibili ka ba?
No, like may parang
You're glowing.
I think you have
Defense?
shield.
Yung
I think
barko?
you have shield.
yun nga eh.
You're glowing.
Guys,
Ah.
don't, huwag kayo mahulog.
As
It
milk
hurts.
makes your bones
Yeah,
stronger. Ah,
Nahulog na nga ako eh. Nahulog na nga ako eh.
Okay, it's very
Sakit.
unforgiving.
Here, here, here.
Where?
there.
Come here. We must peek together. Oh, may food.
Pero parang meron
Di
ano.
ba safe to? O hindi?
Parang meron akong ano.
No.
With ambience.
Hindi, di ba?
No,
Pero-
that's bad. That's bad. That's bad.
Sa akin ba yun? Rinig mo ba yung fan ko? Ang layo ng fan ko.
Yes, parang may wind
Yeah,
ambience pag namalayo ka.
Oh, that's lame. Ayusin, wait nga lang. Settings.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. We will know where you are. That's good.
Pero it's not okay for me. Wala ba dito nga
Pag
na?
nawala ka, marinig, all we can listen is like yung breeze ng hangin. That's like, ay, sino yun?
Oh, that's lame.
Over there.
Walang noise suppression.
Ala?
Shit.
And your mama said, move, move, shake, shake, and drop.
Guys, I'm setting up it on.
Wow.
Early game.
Hindi ko na kaya.
I'm giving up.
It's too hard.
Pre, I think it will save your life pag tinanggal mo yung ano na yan.
Alin?
Goggles.
Dude, I need hand.
But that's my binocular. I need it to see.
Most useless, most useful item.
Bean.
Look, I am using it right now.
Magic bean. Sino may inventory?
Wala
Wala.
ako. Maganda yan. May technique si Jejen eh. We learn from the best.
Yeah. Mas tignan
Ano
ko.
yung tech?
We're just throw it in a wall. That's it.
Ano, basically, kunyari, may
Dead.
malalim na wall, like hanggang dito.
I mean,
Kunyari,
yeah. I think
Dyan.
that
At di mo maabot yun. Yung ginawa ni Jet, binata niya yung magic bean doon, and it grew towards us.
And we were
yeah,
so
I
amazed.
Think, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think yung magic bean
Ay, may
grows
mushroom.
anywhere. So.
Bago ba ta?
Mushroom?
Saan?
Luster.
Oh, that's bad.
No.
That's bad. That's
Oh.
bad. I remember Oomph saying that's bad.
Should we try it?
Oh, chest. Oh, mushroom.
Kakasabi ko lang.
Pre, how bad is it? Ayun ang tanong.
Did we go over here?
Ingay ng motor sa labas. Oh my.
Did we go?
Ang muffled. Uy! 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 Wait, guys! Wait!
Ano yun? Sana babomba yung motor na yun, ah.
Kaya nga eh. Yan di ako naglalaro sa umaga eh. Well, hapon at least.
Wait! Huy! Huy! Huy!
Ano?
May ano dito?
Ano?
Ano?
Yung
Hindi ako
coral.
bababa kung di mo alam.
Kaso wala akong ano eh. May coral dito kasi wala akong storage.
Ay.
Have it.
Ay, okay. Search ko nga kung may achievement tong binoculars na to. Wait lang.
In exchange, I need food.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, may achievement nga.
Ano yung achievement?
Wait. Requires you to look at the sun with the binoculars while in a maze. Okay. Okay. Akin ka na.
Ano sabi? At the at the
Mesa.
may specific area? Mesa.
Mesa.
Is
Whatever.
that new?
I don't know.
New, di ba? Yung bago.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, wait.
Oh,
wait.
ano, remedy mushroom.
Ay. Damage tayo, di ba, Prince? Pwede natin ba to?
Yeah. I can't grab it. Wala na akong stamina. Does anyone have stamina?
Sino may, full?
Wait.
Ay,
Akin yung storage niyo. Akin yung stuff niyo.
akin na. Kukunin ko na. Oh, sige, ikaw na said, yes.
Ayun, isa to. Dito. Ayun, isa to.
Yun.
Ayan.
Ayun.
Kita mo ba?
Wow!
Wow! Expert.
Ano yan?
Patay mo
Oh,
sa
yung healing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr.
Yes.
Mr. Gassy over here.
Incredible gas.
This town needs a hero.
Baho nun.
Prince!
Break it up! Oh my god. Dito,
Where
dito.
Is this new? Uh-oh. Thanks. Whoa! Ewan ko.
May nagwawalis na ba? Uy! Uy, uy!
Lahat ata, may ginagawa ata sa labas ng bahay ko eh. Lahat na eh.
You hear
Uy, I can see
everything,
the
your
top,
thoughts, your
guys.
breathing.
I can see
Oh.
the top.
The heat?
Uy, may pagkain.
Next time, maririnig mo yung inner monologue ko.
Guys, food! So much!
I have food! Wait, can you... Aka na.
Yung bag ko puro pa pagkain. Mine.
Meron pa ba?
Bacon pan. Gusto mo ba?
Yung sports drink.
I'll get it. I need the binoculars.
I can see
If
the
you guys
top.
are hungry, I'm the food guy.
Hell yeah.
Ay, Bing Bong Den! Remember?
Did we made it?
Have we reached peak?
Layo pa? Guys, gamitin ko natin piton.
Tingnan mo nga, wait, binoculars mo. Gano'ng kalapit? Gano'ng kalapit?
Oh, wait lang, hindi ko makita.
Dude, give me your hand! Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Give me your hand!
Dude, dapat sa screenshot ko, please. Gano'ng kalayo? Teka, tignan nga.
Wait, recreate ko.
Thank you.
Oh.
Well done.
Kala ko malalaglag si Prince eh. Sasalayin ko sana eh.
Tinan mo sa game discussion. May
Si-
helmet pa and everything. Bro is prepared.
Set please. Set please.
May helmet pa and everything.
Overall, I gotta be prepared. Oh, may
Wait,
nagbebenta na
sila
ng gulay.
masarap.
Parang ano yung stamina. Parang tagal maubos.
Oh, kotse. Hey.
May kotse?
Guys, may sausage.
Oo nga no.
Sausage.
Uy,
hotdog.
sausage.
Ay, backpack. Akin na to.
Isn't this
Oh,
good?
we haven't
Isn't this
died. Dude, we
legendary?
haven't died. Oh no. We haven't died. Ano to? We get something.
What
Pandora's
did you get,
lunchbox.
Chris?
What does it do?
Oh, that's good. That's
That's
good.
random. That's gambling.
It's random but it's good. Yeah, it's gambling.
I wanna gamble.
Uy, yung sausage
Gold,
ko!
gold, gold.
Akin yan! Akin yan! Ah! Yeah!
Ay, ay.
So greedy.
Ay! Yung sausage ko! Akin na sausage ko!
Wala sa akin.
Wait, someone grab the
May backpack.
You lying, bro! Sausage ko!
Oh, Rus.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh, that's so good.
May
Uy,
binoculars.
Wala yung sausage ko!
Kinuha ni Prince.
Dude, it's not on me.
Ah,
Tinakot pa.
Sausage.
What the fuck? What the
What?
fuck?
may ginagawa nyo.
Look at backpack, man.
I have
Sausage
3
cake.
coconuts.
I don't
Don't
see
look
it.
at
It's yours.
Wala ako.
It's in you.
Check mo. Check mo. Marshmallow.
That's-
Sausage ko!
Wala na.
I didn't eat it. Uy, coconut!
Tuwang-tuwa ka sa coconut ah.
Ako hingi ako coconut. Walang food.
Nasunod pa ba?
Crack it
No,
in half. Yes, thank you.
Yummy.
No! Nawala. Ah.
Akin na lang.
Dude, yung sausage ko! I'm so upset. Yung
It's on me.
sausage ko!
Lockdown pre.
down.
Does this guy know?
Said, I'm gonna hold you by your hand.
I'm gonna tell you this one time.
Ayaw mo lang kasi fall damage. Careful.
Very well.
Seth, tanong ka sa mushroom.
Gagawin yung pagkain.
Why?
I don't know.
Wait.
Full damage. You good? Wait, dito
No.
tayo, Seth. Dito tayo.
Uy, water! Water!
Tara. Seth, dito sa likod mo. Tara. Try natin to.
Ikaw muna.
Sige! Oh. Wow!
Trampoline lang.
Boring mo naman, Seth. Ano yun?
Oh shit!
Ano yun?
Ano tawag yun? Mandragora.
Aray. I'm gonna.
Asa na? Asaan?
Sa tubig. Over there.
Asa? Wait.
Laso na what?
May banner.
Ah!
Oh, win.
Pag mahawakan.
Oh, don't go near him. Antokin ka.
What if nag-crash
Ganda,
siya?
ironic. What's this? I got something.
Ano yan?
Pirate compass.
Sumisig. Ano yun?
Ingay, pre!
Wait. What if we follow this? Yung pirate compass, it's leading somewhere.
Ano yung tsura?
Baka ano yan? Ano ba yun?
Sundan man natin. I wanna follow.
Ingay.
Oh, may yellow mushroom ako.
Uy! Ano yan ah? Fruit sa One Piece. Tuwitso.
Aray ko.
Ito, yellow mushroom.
Ano mo nga?
Eat this.
Okay. Oh, that's bad.
How bad, pre?
May new status ako. Looks like a mold.
Mushroom.
Safe to, diba? Google mushroom.
Safe ba yung button mushroom?
Ano ba safe yan? Safe yan. Safe yung bottom.
Ay,
Oh,
wait lang pa.
oh.
Tinihila ako.
Grabe yung wind.
Wait, may cloud fungus ako.
Damn, shut up.
Red shroom berry. Friends, try it.
Oh, yung aso! Ano to?
Red shroom berry.
What if I ate the screaming carrot?
Guys,
It's a
yung health pack ko puro mushrooms.
blue
My
shroom
health is
berry.
puro mushroom. That's what I ate. Puro mushrooms yung ano ko energy. Am I okay?
You might be okay. Ano to? Foggy seeds?
Yeah, I yung cloud mushroom. Bato ko nga yun.
Bounce fungus.
I ate it.
What did
You
do?
ate it?
Oh!
Uy!
He fell asleep. Yo!
Ano to?
Our ass is not finishing this game.
Wake up! Wake up!
Oh my god. Yung HP ko, puro
Can we
mushroom.
follow this?
Ako rin, puro mushroom HP ko.
Do we follow this yung pirate?
Tara, follow natin.
Tara, what?
Follow me.
Oh, blue mushroom. Time to eat it.
Dahag wag, kinain ko yan, it's bad.
Ah, never mind.
Ano to? Oh, wonderful.
Oh,
That's a visual bug.
oh. Oh, yung ano, oh. I'm good. Yung health ko hindi na mushrooms.
So it goes away.
Like yung buong HP mo? Mushrooms?
Oh, chubby mushroom.
No.
Okay.
Can you eat this?
Pwede yan, that's good, that's
Oh, no. Oh,
Who's
rescue
that?
claw.
Rescue
What's that?
claw!
Bilis naman
Oh,
kumuha.
yung grapple! Yung grapple! It's very good.
Wait lang, may space ba bag mo?
Meron, isa.
Who's hungry? Sinong gutom? Who's hungry right? Say ah.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Full yung ano ko.
Hawakan mo na muna siguro.
I ate it.
Oh, never mind. Aray ko.
May trial mix dito.
Ah, that's red. I don't wanna touch that. Yo, bukang po.
I have.
Say ah.
Oh,
Yung zombie. Oh, yung zombie! I saw that!
Aray ko!
May zombie!
asan?
Yung zombie!
Oh, ano?
Oh my god!
Wait, Isn't
Lure
that
him.
bad? Alam ko mahirap yan eh.
Oo.
Follow the compass. Prince, yung compass. Tara na, yung compass na lang.
Yung compass.
Iwanan natin tong could not be me.
Wait, ano yung status effect? Ano yung mga, ano yung status effect na yun?
Yung mushroom?
Puro tuldok.
I'm
No,
not
yung puro
sure.
tuldok.
It looks like mold.
Luggage. Lollipop. Ito gawin, gamit
Why
dito.
is bro so
Lollipop 45
fast?
milk. Mga drinks.
Oh my god, 5th player. Bomb.
Gusto mo lala?
I'm good.
Where's this leading
Akit
to?
na tayo. Akit na tayo.
Wait, Sid. We might go
Zombies
somewhere.
there.
What if pinaglisan niya ng item, yung zombie?
Wait
Baka
lang
kunin
nga,
niya.
I'm
Ayoko
gonna
nga.
eat this.
Kunin
I'm
mo
gonna
ulit.
eat the lollipop if I pass out.
Ayoko nga. Yes, cooties.
Wow, ano yun?
Ano yun? Sumabit? Ano yung nakasabit?
Yeah, ano yung glowing thing na yun? I am tripping out? Oh, I'm gonna sleep now. Okay.
Buhatin
Good
kita.
night, guys.
Ow!
Okay.
Oh my god. Umaakit siya.
Tara na, Sid. Aray ko!
Oh my god.
Am I dead?
Nasaan si Prince?
Did you fall?
Prince? Uh-oh.
Asan kayo?
Nandito ako.
Oh, I see. I see Prince.
Oh my god.
Akit dito, Sola. Akit dito.
May hangin. May hangin. I knew it. I knew my spiders. I knew it, pre.
Sid.
Oh, namatay yung zombie.
Oh, ano loot?
Nasaan ka, Prince? Prince, may bandage ako. Here.
No, I'm good. Konti lang. That's fine.
I hear you.
Ano yan? No!
Nice.
May
Ano yung kagamba?
may beetle. May beetle na tumulak sa akin.
Namatay na yung zombie. Na
Ano?
ginutom.
Ah, buti nga. Oh. Come here, Sid.
Ayun.
Ah, by
Oh,
bomb.
may bam.
I live. Uh-oh. Hello. Goodbye.
Wait,
Ow!
That's a
gusto mo
spider.
bandage?
I'm good. Somehow. Yung ano? Wala akong din. Yeah.
I don't get this pirate compass. Is it up?
Maybe sa taas. I think it's up.
Uh,
Yeah.
kinabahan ako. Kala ko hindi nagre-record mic ko.
Wait,
There's a
tara, tayo.
spider.
We need to get up.
Over here.
Never mind. Where am I going?
Prince, may
Not here.
spider. That's
Spider ba yan? Where's my
Oh,
binoculars?
mushroom lang pala.
Whoa! Look over here.
This is the time you need to use it, friend.
Nasa backpack ko eh. Ano yan? Oh.
I have no idea.
Oy, whoa. I think that's it.
Vacuum ba yun?
Ooh, drink.
Gold?
Sumasabog ba yan?
Okay, maganda pala yung ano, red shroom. Konti lang pinipigay.
May nagdidrill sa harapan ng bahay.
Leading over here.
Guys.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Nadalas.
Ah, may kagamba sa ibabaw.
Oh.
May sleep ba?
Oh, don't.
But you're making it more curious.
Puro spores, pre.
What are you, Curious George?
Yes, dude.
This spider.
Ooh,
Uy, may spider. Uy.
Can I throw it?
Where?
Over there.
Ooh, bam.
Ano si Prince? Prince.
May item dito.
Oh. Oh, Bruce mo naman.
Ooh, trail mix. Gusto niya, soda. Crayons.
I'm good.
Meron na ako.
Ikaw, Miguel.
Up here.
Ayan lang.
Up here.
Di ba dead end yun?
Up
You
where?
can just
No,
go up
I
to
don't
mushroom.
think- Oh,
Over
sa
here,
mushroom.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
May isa pang daanan dyan, malapit eh.
Ow. Aray.
Dito tayo, Prince, ha?
Advantage.
Dito.
Gusto mo health pack? Gusto mo bandage? Wag mo! Wag mo! Tulak!
Ikaw yung tutulak sa akin.
Hand. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Dito.
I think we're getting infected. I feel like.
We're
I'm
fine.
gonna die.
We're
I'm gonna die.
fine.
I'm
We're
dead.
trust.
I'm dead.
See?
I'm stuck!
Absolute
Dude,
sale
one
naman.
bar na lang. Dude, 1 bar lang yung health ko.
Eto. Hungry ka ba?
Kinda.
Eto.
Thank you.
Wait, Sid!
Uh-oh.
Send you ass! Oh, I'm dead.
Dito pa rin sa akin, dito sa akin. Oh, never mind. Oh, you are dead.
Tignan mo dito.
No, I think you're fine.
Ba't nyo naglagay? But why did you do it?
Climb my
I
beam.
did it.
Oh, Prince,
Na-
nanak
I
si
dropped.
Prince. Nanak out si Prince.
Yeah, wala akong energy. I think I'm very infected. I think fungus siya, yung parang dots na to.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Ano lang siya, parang poison thingy.
Spores, yeah. Kaso mawawala rin siya, matagal lang.
Wala akong energy, bro. Just 1 bar.
Hold my hand, pre.
Because, yeah.
One part at a
Saan
time.
tayo akyat? I think this is a...
Dali, talon.
Can I get a
Here?
bandage? Can I get a bandage?
I have bandage.
I can't!
Dito kayo dito.
Wait lang, Sed.
Gusto mo bandage? Gusto mo bandage?
Yeah.
Oh, yun, nasa akin si Bing Bong. Kala ko, malalaglag ka eh.
Thank you. Yeah. Saan?
Oo.
Wait, may hangin.
Dito,
Guys,
dito,
wait,
ito,
wait,
sa
wait,
corner,
may
sa corner.
hangin.
Scary.
I feel like yung pirate compass na to, it just leads you to where chests are. Yung mga random
Nearest
locations.
chest, ganun.
Oh.
Oh, wait, resting area.
Hand!
Asan yung next area?
Down here, wait lang. Alam mo, pet ko? I let go. Do not do that.
Thank you, man.
My spore. Look out, my spore.
Huh?
My
Eh?
spore, but down here. Look.
Wait, how did you get there, Seth?
Oh, that's a spore.
I fell.
Hindi, see, Seth.
Ow! Yeah, hand, please.
I am far.
Seth, how did you get it? Seth?
Oh my god, that spore is annoying. No, hi.
I need,
Ano?
Pag ininom mo ba yung milk, does it consume, food?
Ask Prince, siya yung kumain eh.
Prince,
What?
pag ininom mo yung milk, mawala ba yung hunger?
Content.
Ah, dyan pala kayo.
Pag ininom mo yung milk, mawala yung hunger?
I don't know. I never. I just saw this parang kakarang.
I just did it.
Or-
Okay, never mind.
Hi.
Uy, coconut.
Bababa onti yung FPS ko dito.
Oh, fat mushroom.
Nasaan?
Oh,
Remedy,
that's
is that
nice.
remedy mushroom?
Uy,
Yung remedy mushroom?
all of these are good mushrooms. Pwede yung kainin.
Jackpot.
This
I
is
don't know.
garbage. This
I
bugle.
need to eat. Give me.
Ano ba ito?
Oh, shit!
Nada.
Thank you.
Gusto mo ng Pandora's Lunchbox?
Sorry.
So
Dude,
that...
I have food! Dude, I have food! Grab what the fuck you
Oh my god, bruh.
Don't guys, don't turn
Teka,
around.
teka. Wait, put it down, pre. Hindi ko makuha.
Ay, ingat kayo, may nagbabantay na beetle sa gilid ah.
Oh. Okay, I'm good. Binato yung mushroom.
Right side lang. Binato.
Here.
Right side lang.
Binato ni Sid yung mushroom. Sinabi ko, wait, wag mo ano, nakakainin ka.
Can you bounce off from this? It'd be so...
Yes.
Oh, yes! Wait, point.
Di ba ito yung ginawa nyo kanina?
Yeah, ganito ginawa namin.
You were there, friend.
Do it again.
Bro, acting like he has never been there.
Do it again. You
Wait,
have to
spider.
go
Where? Oh.
left or right?
We go
We
up.
go up.
Yeah!
I think we need to go here.
We can go left. Or pwede rin straight.
Yeah, we need to go here. Thank you.
Arigato. Oh! Yung
Hoy,
wind.
Hoy, 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 hoy.
Yung wind.
Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy, tulakan! Wait!
You win, bro! Left or right? I feel like left.
Here. May spider dyan. You wanna go there?
Where?
And then, si Nix pumunta sa kabila.
Ba't ako?
Spider.
It's just parang mababa yung FPS ko dito.
Mushroom.
Lalo sa water.
I wanna go to the water. May effect kaya?
It doesn't do anything, I'm gonna be honest.
Oh! What? Oh! Oh! Where am I?
I
Okay,
think...
water does something now.
Oo.
Ay, yung wind ah. Yung wind ah. Baka pa rin tayo papunta dyan.
No, I feel like nakatapa ng fart ba? Yeah, I know.
Really?
Yeah, most likely fart ba?
Oh, no, water does something.
Water, okay, water does something.
Okay, I'm gonna die. Chat, I'm dead. I'm gonna die.
No, you're not.
What if you don't die?
What sabi mo kahapon, Soda? Oo, yung wind.
No!
Oh no! No!
Oh no, please.
Ow! Ow!
Who's hungry? Who's hungry?
How hungry?
Asa na kayo? Ah, hi, Vince.
Ano yung soda?
Ikaw lang.
Hello?
Naririnig ko eh.
Ako din eh.
May grapple ba kayo?
Meron ako.
Ito.
Ah, never mind. Ibang grapple din meron ako.
Is bro hungry?
Ah,
Sinong gutom?
Do you want to see my health bar?
May Pandoras ako kung gusto mo, Soda.
Tingnan mo sa sa box.
Oh my god!
Grabe naman. Wait,
Wait, who's hungry?
buksan mo yung ano ko, Pandoras ko. Baka maka full HP ka.
Said, are you hungry? Said?
No.
okay lang.
Wait, actually, that's better. Thank you. Tinanggal lahat ng spores. Can we climb here?
Dami ng sports.
No, don't. No.
What if... Oh, no. Kailangan chain gun dito.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh, what if ano? Wait, climb over here and parang beton and hopefully reach there if I'm wooden.
Oh, true. Wala akong piton do.
Meron ako isa.
I know
Meron
one guy
ako
who has
mushroom.
one.
Yung stand mushroom.
You know one guy, friend.
I know one guy who has one.
Meron ako, kaso hindi ko lang
Meron ako
kakayanin.
mushroom na pang tayo.
Yeah, meron rin.
Edi, oh!
Wait, no! Oh no, you hangin!
Grab.
Throw it in the, somewhere in the middle. Yung mushroom.
Yeah, just here. Sa tinturo ko.
Where?
Baba nga tayo.
Spores yun, kita mo?
Wait, what if nag-bridge out dito?
Sid, punta ka dito. Para makita mo kung saan pwede
Wait,
ba
meron
to.
ka magic mushroom?
Meron akong shell fungus.
Wait! Shell? Wait!
One time
hold on.
bridge dito.
Sid!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You, wag. Aray ko. Oh, may isa pang beetle. Hello. Buhay pa kami ni Sid.
I'm thinking, right? Climb here.
Dali Sid. Bagay yung fungus. Boing.
Pwede go in?
Here! Wait, guys!
Ha?
Here? Pwede tayo tumalon dito? I think. We can land
Wait, there's a
that.
doorbell.
Narinig ko. Ano yun, Soda?
Here, right? We can jump. We can run and jump that.
Wind.
Okay.
Oh, goodbye, Sid.
So hard. I think tama nga si Seth. May chain launcher daw siya. We can just like bridge over there.
No, walang chain launcher.
Yeah. Ano sabi niya sa bridge daw?
Naghahanap siya ng chain launcher. Alam mo, mag-ibang route na lang tayo. Hindi to kaya.
Napilig din kaya to yun. Like, magkano lang dito, nagpa-mushroom platform. Then you go and climb over there.
Ito may vines, ah.
Sorry.
Yummy, yummy.
Yo.
I like toasted siopaw.
Yo.
Hello? Asan kayo, guys?
Oh! Oh! Okay, okay. Pala mo ito.
Wait lang.
Oh,
Ay, good ba ako? I only have a bottle of water.
Hey, it's over here, over here.
Oh, nasa taas na ako.
Oh, sa taas na? Oh, never mind.
Turn around, turn around.
Spider.
Okay, please, baba ka. Right? Dito. Sa route na to. Tanong po na tuturo.
Oh, hello. Oh my god.
Ito. Please, up here.
Nasaan na kayo?
And then, jump here. Left, right. May damage ka ba? Damage ka ba?
Ayan.
Mindset, mindset.
ah.
Hi, Sid.
Can I throw mushroom? Wala akong energy.
Nasaan na kayo?
That's a little too far.
Oy, Sid, sa likod mo.
Pwede.
Dapat binato mo dito.
Sid. Oh.
Ako.
Oo. Oo. Nasa taas na ako.
Prince! Abot dito, abot.
Lumagpas na ako dyan.
Ano ka dito?
Wala, I can't. I really can't. Wala na akong health talaga. Wala na akong...
Sid. Nasaan kayo? Nasaan kayo?
Nasa baba sila dun.
Soda.
Walang health si Prince. Kailangan ng health ni
I see
Prince.
it.
Nasa kabila ako.
Ay, sa taas sa civics. Wait, God.
Hi.
Sa taas sa Bing Bong.
Hi, pre.
Asan ka, Prince? Magpakita ka nga.
It's over for me now.
Punta ka dito, punta ka dito. Summer, basta punta ka dito.
Drop. Drop mo yung Pandora? Sa
Hindi.
kanya?
Igagrapple ko siya.
Oh, yung true yung grapple.
I have zero fucking...
Ayun, kita. Huwag ka gumalaw. Abot ba ako? Paano ba ito gamitin? Oo. Wait lang. Wait.
It's so over for me. Wala akong health. Wala. Sobrang damage talaga.
Nasaan? Wait, hirap pa.
Wait.
Nasaan ka na, Prince?
Lapit lang sa waterfall.
Wait, bababa ako ulit.
Baba na ng waterfall. Do you see my hand?
Wait lang. Teka, bababa ako ulit. Asan ka, Prince? Ito sa baba mo. Baba mo. Tingin ka sa baba.
How'd you...
Tara, sundan mo ako.
Dude, wala akong energy. I swear to God, wala akong energy talaga.
May Pandoras ako sa backpack ko. Buksan mo yung Pandora ko. Open my Pandora. Poison.
I am poison and freezing cold.
Pero nawala yung HP something.
Yeah.
Okay, antay lang tayo. Waiting game.
Where did you go?
Just some points.
Sabay?
Yeah.
Oh, putang ina. Yun lang pala.
Naghanap pa kayo. Naghihirap kayo eh.
Yeah.
Ayan, sundan mo lang ako. Akit lang.
Forgetting yung mga ropes na to. Like, ang baba ng cost ng stamina. Di ba?
Yeah, dude.
Keep forgetting.
Nung nakita ko na, I was like, I should go here.
On poison.
Go lang.
Di kaya.
Oh. Yeah.
I see the fog.
Nah, it's fine. Kaya mo pa ba? Kaya kita hilahin. Paano
How
pa?
far does it?
Mamaya muna.
Okay.
Okay. I'll shoot you.
Oh!
Oh my
Oh my
God.
god! Ang haba! Okay. That's so good! Holy shit!
Nagkakot.
That is so good!
Dude, instant yun.
Yeah!
Okay.
Wow!
Okay, basically,
That's very, very good.
I went here. And then up here.
Ah!
And that's it.
Then up here.
Akit pa dyan.
Dude, that grapple is so good.
Oh.
That's-
And dito sa gilid.
Paano niya si...
Yo.
Oh! Hi.
Dude, iniwanan niya si ano,
Umalis kayo eh.
si Sid.
Where's Sid?
Pero hindi naman namin alam na dyan eh, bro. Wala ka...
Nagtuturo ko kanina pa ako.
Nasaan si Sid?
I couldn't hear you, pre. Yun si Sid, oh. Pwede
Asa-
niyo ba i-grapple siya?
Mas...
Ang layo ng range ng grapple. Sobrang layo.
Asan si
So
Sid?
good.
Ayun na nasa cloud.
Huh?
It's
Ayun,
broke
nakita ko.
light, oh.
Okay,
Oh
never
my
mind.
God. Nasa si Bing Bong? Nakikaganin yung Bing Bong.
Okay, Sid.
Oh my God, pre!
Tara, kita na tayo.
Oh my God, pre.
We're never gonna get Bing
We
Bong.
will never get Bing Bong.
Is Sid dead?
Probably.
Yes.
Dead.
Ah, hello.
Ang layo na
Sa
nilipad
akin
niya.
mo.
Ang layo na nilipad niya.
pinag-usapan namin.
Bye bye. Pero tayo namin yung grapple na, yung parang safety na ano. It's so good.
Oh, yun no.
I'm
Yun yung
saying,
katawan ko.
dude, kagayin ako pa
Kita mo yung white na
sinasabi.
yan? Ayun, nasa likod niya. Kita niyo yung white na yan? Ay, dun yung corpse ko eh.
Hindi, nakita kita lumipad
Kaya
eh.
nakita
Parang
namin
white.
nahulog ka. Anyway, dude, sinasabi nga namin, sumisigaw kay Meg, rinig ako, sabi, uy, grapple nyo kami.
Hindi.
Hmm.
Nung siguro sinisigaw na
Mami,
yun,
ano,
binabalikan
Coral
ko na
Focus sa
siya.
gilid mo.
No? Eh,
Okay, pre, bro did not even attempt.
lie.
Puta.
Oh, may hangin.
I have energy and
Oh, button mushroom.
Oh, can I have it? Me, I'm hungry. There. Yeah.
Ang cute, pre, naging zombie yung katawan ko.
That's not cute. We're
What?
endangered.
Kaya, naging zombie yung katawan. As soon as I died, nakita ko naglakad. Bro stood up.
Oh, what's
Hindi ko
this?
alam kung, but why is there,
Yellow shroom berry. This looks...
what does that do? Eat
Yummy.
that?
I don't know. Wait.
Sarap
Mga-
Green
mushroom.
lang yung bad na ano. Green lang yung pangit. Okay lang yung yellow.
Oh, I just ate
Sorry.
everything.
Parang yung brown. And yellow pala.
Eat
Basta
that.
hindi green.
Prince.
Basta yun. Thank you.
Oh, I'm poisoned. Okay.
Bakit?
I ate a mushroom.
I'm gonna eat the yellow. Wait lang. Pagkataas
I think you're just high.
Nope, I am poisoned.
Okay, I'm
May
gonna eat
chest,
this
oh.
mushroom just in case lang.
Saan?
Mga...
Ano? Kung nasa si Prince.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Imagine
Wag
totem.
na lang. Wag na lang. You're a V.
It did nothing, pre. Didn't even quench your hunger.
Wait lang. Ganun lang. Hindi ko pala maliit na.
Oo nga, may mga chest pa doon.
Oh, it just gives you one
Oh!
score.
Yo!
What?
Bakit?
Ano
Bakit?
yun?
Bakit?
Oh! Okay, yellow is pretty good. It
Yeah.
gives you a very short temporary na... Yung parang ano, unlimited na...
Oh, okay.
Your entire thing is mushroom, diba? You have mo.
No.
No?
Nope. Maganda yung yellow shroom berry ba? yun?
Where's that? Ayun pa yung chest.
It gives you temporary unlimited time.
Ah.
Umbrella. Ha? Sorry.
I got something. I got you.
Hold on.
Oh,
I got you.
flag.
Bakit ako ulit?
Oh, nasa pick na kayo.
The game? The game.
Mhm.
Ah, dyan ka pala.
Mushroom.
Nanapit eh.
I'm gonna throw this, I'm gonna throw this fucking pirate.
What if nagparasol ako?
Oh my god. Wait, get what?
Scary. Hindi naman pala ganun kahirap to.
I like this biome.
Guys, it's not that hard.
What does it do yung checkpoint na?
No.
Checkpoint.
What do you mean? What?
I guess if you die, you respawn.
Immediate?
If you die in real life.
No way.
I guess the... Yeah, let's
May
just
chest
go
on
sa
layo.
kabila.
Where?
Ay, nasa may mushroom, single mushroom sa distance.
Oh.
Ano
Said
yan?
how much will you pay if I grab that?
10 centavos.
Ano ba yan?
Mas malaki pa yung fee kesa sa ano eh. Babayaran eh.
How did you get up there?
Gilid, I just walked. Ito.
Mas mahal pa ano, no? Bayad ng kuryente for that second. Isa centavos.
Hindi ata second lang yun eh. Oh, isang
We're here.
pitik lang yun, wala na.
We're here.
Oo.
Oh my god.
Kailangan mo ba talaga yung trumpet para sa ano? Sa capybara?
Yeah, kailangan.
Oh!
Welcome back.
I'm so
Konnichiwa.
hungry.
How
So
hungry.
we found your sausage.
Wait, sausage ko! Akin yan! Akin yan yung
Checkpoint
sausage
flag.
ko.
Ay nga, Carton. Ay, nagagawa na to?
Tabi. Rah!
What does this do?
Like the campfire.
Wait, I'm gonna search it up. Man. It's Jen. I'm so curious. What it does.
Oh my god, hindi ko niluto yung sausage. Uy, mesa.
You're wrong.
Asan yung sun? Nasaan yung sun?
Yeah, pwede mo na bato yan.
Pre.
Wait, kami rin.
Ayoko nga. Nagtatawanan mo ko eh.
Isang nga, may babato dito eh.
Uy!
Hindi ka dito. Hindi ka dito.
Pero I'm kidding. Asan yung araw? There we go.
Pengi.
Try nyo na.
Ay.
Huwag mong bigay kay Zoda.
Wait,
My eyes!
put it down. If someone dies, they'll respawn back in a good health. So this is a respawn?
That's what I'm saying.
Ito, Prince ah.
Diba?
Ano yan?
Huwag mo ibigay kay Zoda.
Epal!
Pinagtatawanan niya ako.
Sean.
Wala siya!
Ha?
Oh my god.
Ito na.
Just the
Pwede natin bato
needs to
to.
be placed on the ground to be active.
Go bato.
You can place it anywhere, relatively flat.
Bakit
But
ang
we
bato?
recommend you put somewhere that is definitely safe. It's the end of the spot there.
Oh wait, lutuin ka muna ito.
Wala ni flame eh.
Never mind.
Once placed, the flag will fly in the color of
Ano
your
yun?
star. The worst
Kita
as
niyo yun?
fast you end die enough.
Ano ta?
So
White thing.
it's literally just some revive. This is revive.
Meron rin akong revive eh.
Oh, this is so good then. Pero,
How do you? Oh.
how is this like parang brown chest level? No? Hindi siya parang
We're just lucky. That's called ore. Uy! 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 Nakita ko yung ano.
bakit niya sa'yo?
Soda. I see the capybara. Nakita ko.
Yeah, nakita ko rin. Wala naman akong trumpet.
No, yung bugle!
Oh. Punta lang tayo. Punta lang tayo.
Ano ba yan?
Dude, this is just like Fortnite.
Very drama. Recommend daw na save yung checkpoint sa either sa Caldereta or sa
Caldereta.
o sa ano sa
Ang daming fruit to.
Capybara. Layo mo na. Layo.
Eh. Aray ko. Oh, kayong tatlo. Nasaan na?
My friend!
Asan ka?
Soda ko naman food ko.
Sid!
Ano?
Oh!
Oh!
No, you're back. Dude, I'm so fucked. I have so many thorns.
Tatanggal rin sa akin.
Aray ko!
Go!
Guys!
No, that's exciting.
Dami mo, thorns.
Dude, I flew directly sa cactus.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Guys, I'm gonna die.
Can I-
Guys, Torn.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh,
Aray ko!
wait, stop doing. Oh,
Sid,
yeah.
wag-
Wait, dude. Umalis tayo dito. Umalis naman tayo dito. Ang daming. Oh my god!
Aray ko!
Oh my god.
Let's get. Alis mo tayo dito.
Alisan muna tayo dito. Umalis muna tayo dito.
Alis mo tayo dito.
Tara na. Mamaya na lang to.
Storm.
Okay, I think it's safe.
Doon tayo sa capybara.
Di mo tayo naman ng tornado.
Doon ang funny ng POV ko. Nakita ko yung tatlong ikot-ikot.
Kasi sad.
Ay, baby!
Sad eh.
No. Patanggal sa akin.
Don't move.
I'm not moving.
Saan si Sid?
Oh,
Parang-
you're dead!
Oh, you're dead.
Every time na
Wait,
revive ako,
checkpoint!
natamaan ako ng ano.
Checkpoint!
Wag mo na dito sa baba, Prince. Wag mo na dito sa baba.
Huwag mo na.
Pag sa taas siguro tayo.
Oh my god! Guys!
That's not that. Oh, go left!
Okay.
Just run.
Dito sa loob, dito. Oh, that one Superman movie. Don't.
No, my super child. Do not save me. Alright, go.
Go,
Ba
mate.
yan? Everything's falling apart. Wala na si Bing Bong.
Hello?
Prince,
Ang paano ng POV ko? Bigla ka nawala sa harapan ko.
Pasave na.
Prince,
Pasave
pag talikod ko.
Patanggal, 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 patanggal.
Stop moving. Dude, pag talikod ko, wala na kayo sa likod ko.
Tara na,
Yap,
tara na.
yap, ito. Araw. Ah! What the fuck?
Wala din.
Huwag ka gumalaw, huwag ka gumalaw.
Stop moving. Guys, patating na. Guys!
Oh my god.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck is this? Ano? What is this
I
luck?
don't remember this map being this hard. Wala pa nga tayo sa mga ano, okay na. Nahilo ang kakatawa.
Ay, yung magic beam, yung magic beam.
May magic man!
Hirap ng buhay.
I'm out of breath, pre.
What is this fucking, ano, luck, man? What's happening? Is that a bridge? I think that's
Ay,
a bridge.
chest sa baba.
Uy! Said how much?
It's
Oh, no!
fake. Prince, it's fake.
No!
Sige, 100 pesos ko nakuha mo yan.
Oh.
100 imaginary pesos.
Taas pala ng full
Oo.
damage siya ngayon.
Ano yan? Play money.
Should I use the
Ah.
Pandora box right now?
Kung may kanan lang tayo.
Mamatay ka na.
Try mo.
I'm
No,
gonna use it
it's
ano,
random.
Oo.
I'm gonna use it in a safe place. It is too much.
Ben, ang hirap naman ng intro na yun.
Oh, safe. Yay.
I don't know man, it's kind of funny. Ang dami nangyari.
Ayun, it was.
Wait, I can
That's
magic
the
beam
thing.
this bitch, bro. I can magic beam this. Over there.
Sabi ba? Go?
I'm burning hot.
Wait,
I'm
ama
spicy,
na
I'm
lang.
spicy.
Just chill for a while.
I said.
It's coming to us, pre.
Dito. Look at this guy na may power so.
I think di mo naman kailangan mag-magic bean dito.
Talo na lang bro.
Cutie mo naman.
It's kinda short.
Happy naman ang Sony said. Hindi na
Bro, so full of life, holy shit, kahit patay na.
So full of life. Ano yun?
There was full of life.
Oo nga. Oh,
Kita mo
remedy
yung-
Prince,
machine.
naman sa likod mo, Prince.
Saya mo. Ang kaingat pre.
Oh?
Dapat ba dyan?
Gusto niyo ba yung payong ko kayo?
Pwede naman.
Oh, wait lang. Bababa ako dun.
Oo.
Kasi-
Kasi... Ayun yung araw.
I-checkpoint ko.
Kaya? Kaya?
So, dito ka sa ano? Payong ko.
Ayun, may shade.
Go, tanong ka sa akin, Prince. Punta ka sa may ilalim ng shadow ko.
Kinang POV to, wait lang. Gusto picture na.
Set, tabi ka, Sed. Set.
May picture na mga mix, di ko kaya ano eh.
Sige.
Bro, so fucking pissed.
Ayun, nasa box.
Saan sa box?
Ah.
Bro, looks so pissed.
So, din yung nasusunog ka. Punta ka sa akin, punta ka sa akin, punta ka sa akin.
Punta ka saan mo ngayon, oh.
Ayan. Ayun lang. Bro, looks so pissed.
Yep.
Brought to school for one day.
Wait, nakakit ako dito.
Kalimutan ko ganito apat ang galit na din.
Oh my god. Dali, bablock ko kayo gamit sun.
I got scared. Dito.
Wala.
Yo! Wait. Watch this.
Wow.
Perfect. Okay.
Soda, you're burning. Soda, you're flaming.
Ay, pwede na kayo umakit. May ano, may shade dun.
So they're falling.
Another time kanina.
Ah, okay.
Ay,
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
guys, do you hear that?
Dali, Soda. Dali. Dali, Prince. Dali, dali, dali. Nice!
Nice! Nice halfway there!
Wait,
I'm still burning.
wait, akit ako. Bali ni sunod.
Yay.
Lumakit. Okay.
Mauna kaya ako sa taas? Ah, okay.
Ano naman, bababa ni Sun. Pwede na.
Okay, okay na pala. That was fun.
Said, do we revive Said now?
Should we?
Mhm.
Try mo nga, Prince.
Pag hopeless na tayo, revive natin siya.
Ah, may
para
chest
siya
ah.
na naman yung
Ah, never mind.
Unless...
Sige nga, revive nga si ano, Sid. I wanna see how it works.
Ako ba?
I mean, meron tayong dalawa, di ba?
Yeah, meron pa akong extra.
Prince, 10 pesos. Di mo kukunin yung chest na yan.
Sad, where?
Oh my god, may chest dun, oh.
Sad. Oh my god. No!
Oh my god.
No!
No.
Try ko. I'll put it over here, far safe.
Ilagay mo sa taas.
Born again! I think we need to dive. We need to be alive and die.
Sid, you're not reviving.
Baka ganun nga. Baka ganun
Yeah.
nga.
But I'm right
We have to
here.
die first, then it will work. Oh.
No! You need to,
I'm right
you need to place
here.
it down first.
Yeah, I mean,
Where?
Die.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yes.
Oh,
We
where?
just
Use
wasted
your
the
eyes.
Where is it?
Wait, so if someone
I'm right
dies,
here.
bababa sila agad dito.
Ah, wait. Baka ikaw lang. Yeah, Sid.
Oh, that's so ass.
Pero we wasted time.
Yeah, we wasted that revive.
Uy! Chest, oh.
Oh my god.
Sid.
It's an actual chest.
Magka-
Oh, ano?
Ako naman, magkano?
Ano ba ba? Malang
Ten
pay.
Pag ginawa ko yan, dude,
Kung may
pag
rocket.
ginawa ko yan,
Wala.
piso lang yung makukuha ko.
Malang PayPal eh.
Mirror ka na, no?
Mas mahal pa yung transfer eh, since ano.
Kaya nga eh.
I think I remember may Gcash ako din eh.
Discord yun.
Discord Nitro. Isa.
Pero ano gagawin ko doon? V-Bucks na lang?
Hindi. Tama yan.
Ano gagawin ko sa Discord Nitro?
Si Soda may V-Bucks yun sa akin eh.
Over here.
I owe them.
May V-Bucks ka.
Ikaw rin, mga friends, gusto mo ng V-Bucks.
Pwede naman.
Ayaw mo, sige.
But he said yes.
Sabi niya pwede naman, he did not say yes or no.
But pwede is yes.
It's a maybe.
Si Soda meron. Pag may natira pera.
Na-damage ka dun, no?
Damage ako doon? Grabe na ako!
Sino may ano? Sino may stake?
Meron pa ako.
God. You kinda need this actually, this is very useful.
I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this.
Ano gagawin ko?
Just drink it, Soda.
Just shake it na lang.
Ano?
I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna die.
Akit ka dito. Ayun, just...
Uy.
Soda, you have half energy.
As in, bro.
Oh, yun na.
What's here?
Take dito. I feel like dito.
Hold on. Check out to. Oh, may chest dito. Oh,
May daan ba dyan?
may paikot na malaki.
May daan dito.
Tara. Yo. You wine mo? Oh. Oh. Diyan rin pala ako dadaan. Ah, may carrot, may carrot, may carrot. The screaming one, the screaming one.
No, those are good.
Oh, oops. Abot ba?
I think they died.
I'm alive.
Purot ako ng gawin.
Narinig ko lang, oh, whoops. Walang urgency.
Are you there?
I'm good.
So how you get?
Dali, bag niya yung arrow.
Actually, old ang araw. We've been here for centuries.
Technically, it's billion years old.
God, you're such a dork.
Sabi mo,
You're a dork, pare.
what did you call me?
A dork.
Adore?
100 days, bro. 100. Wait, meron akong nakita. Yung ano, yung carrot. Aray ko. Aray ko.
Oh, there's three of them.
Remove it.
Tatlo sila, tatlong carrot. Abi sumisigaw.
No, this is peak. This is kill.
Hold on, let me remove.
I learned.
I'm kinda hungry.
How hungry?
Very hungry.
May bag ka? Okay.
Wait lang, huwag ko muna
You
gumala.
can go, no? That chest. That chest over. Kita yun. That chest.
Thank you.
Saan?
Kita yun.
May scorpion?
Over there.
Ay, sana may binoculars ako. Sana hindi
Oh, it's a
binato.
chest.
Diba? It's a chest, right?
Oo.
It's an ancient chest, I think.
Uy, so the ancient chest. Oh, ano? Meron siya may chain.
Wait lang, wait. Tatawag ako.
Teka lang.
Open it, Soda. Open it. Oh, may potion. May potion.
Ano nangyari?
May potion laman.
Cure all!
Cure all. Uy.
Cure all!
I think kailangan mo yan.
Oo, kailangan mo yan, Soda.
I'm just hungry.
Uy,
Oh, it's
full heal
there's
siya.
multiple use! Multiple use!
Prince, you're burning.
Prince, kailangan
Wait.
mo ba?
Wait, tinawag si Prince, tinawag si Prince.
Gutom na si Prince. Prince, may nakuha si Sodang cure all. Nakaka full heal.
Let's go. I mean, I don't need it. I'm just hungry.
Are you sure hindi mo kailangan ng multiple use to?
And
No, full heal
I'm just
siya.
hungry,
Like
man.
yung hunger,
I'm just
hunger
hungry.
rin. Hindi, hunger rin kasama.
di ba kailangan?
Naka na lang.
Multiple uses siya.
Talikod, 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 talikod.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this at the bag.
Diyan muna. Mamaya muna.
Bigat ko tuloy.
Look over here.
How heavy, pre. How heavy, pati rin yung rely. Yung, lahat naka-rely sa'yo, by the way. Pag ikaw nahulog.
No, it's fine. It's, may payong ako. I can do it. I have a tech.
So when you die, you can find
Kung
it.
naubos yung glide niya, pwede mo open ulit. Mag-glide ka pa rin.
Ay, yeah. Ay, hindi ginagawa ko kanina pa.
Ah, yung bukas sara lang.
Yeah, bukas sarado, bukas sarado.
Just like Fortnite.
Oh God. I was built for this.
Eh?
Dead end.
How dead?
And
It's kinda bad.
which
Kaya
chest?
wait lang. Maybe.
May orange chest, no?
Oh, chest.
Oh, open the bear? I didn't open it.
Ano?
Yo,
maybe,
umikot lang tayo.
Yeah, pag okay na, we just look time over there.
Yeah.
Magpapalang araw.
Meron akong piton.
Actually, we can just jump here.
Yeah.
I mean, mana, magic beam, whatever.
Meron naman.
Dude, just do this.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
So much balls.
Wait, dude, yung buong Twitter timeline ko, like, uy! Bean. Magic bean. Ah!
Yeah, wala akong space eh. Hindi ko makuha.
Hindi wala din ako space.
Thank you.
And I'm hungry.
Yung Twitter timeline ko, punong-puno ng is the same joke. Same joke, same gif ng yung si Pim.
Ah,
Si
Pim,
Mr. Boss
bro.
nagda-dap up.
Oh.
May lang yung buong timeline ko the entire day.
Sa akin, opposite eh. It's puro Charlie Kirk eh.
And
Like, di ba yung Gwen? You can like go around.
I have piton.
I have
I think
Peter.
kaya siya eh. I think kaya siya. Just, munti na kasi stamina.
Okay. Out my hand.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Eh? Wait lang, check muna dito.
Zenless Zone Zero film in development.
Yeah, I feel like there.
2032.
Me when I lie. Grabe naman yan.
Me when I lie. That's made by Daily Seed, bro. They lying. Uy, fruit!
Food!
Fruit!
Discussing film yung nag-post.
Holy crap, it's real.
Nah, that's not discussing film. Enough lang nila yun.
Patan ko lang to.
Patagal din sa akin.
They ask they lying. I know when I see a lie.
Okay.
She can only seize it, so you can just say it.
We can go here.
Uh-oh.
Come on. Kaya mo ba?
Oh, that's a safe cactus.
Dry cactus.
Oh wait, there's a... May dami dito.
Aray
Check
ko.
ko lang dito.
May dami.
Dude, dito!
May daanan dito. Patanggal, Prince.
Yung ano? Ah, where?
Arigato. Gozaimasu.
Lagi ko nabubukas yung bag.
Oh, wait.
Takbo.
No, I got it.
Prince, ba't mo hawak?
I got it, man!
Oh my
Don't worry
god.
about it. Don't worry about it.
Not gonna lie, dude. Kalaki babato mo kay Solo.
Kala ko hawak mo lang, so you're just gonna hold it.
No, man, I got it.
Uy, balloon.
If I'm feeling, ano,
If I'm feeling lucky.
malicious. Babato ko talaga si...
Ako yan, no hesitation ako.
Dude, parang hinawakan mo lang, hindi mo lang kung anong gagawin mo.
Pakat potato eh. What do I do now? Oh, it's kinda hurt. I think that's going to hurt. Do you see what I'm seeing? If you go down there, then you go, but that's going to hurt,
Yeah.
I feel like. Oh, that's smart. Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Wala kang balloon.
No, just
No,
grab
you
it.
don't need this. Or, yeah, pre, sure. Mary Poppins as Uy, pagkain!
Oh, come on, down.
Saan ako kuha?
Taas though. Wait lang, I think I
I got it.
I got it!
Oo.
I don't got it.
What? Whoa.
Dude, yung cactus saved my life. Na-stuck ako. Lumipad.
Yeah, I saw. Tanggal yung ako.
Sa Kobe.
Damo.
Damn.
Oh, my bad.
Should have stayed in a cactus, man.
Meron
Uy!
ako.
Wait, wait, wait.
Oh, ang safe ng route nito. Sa right side.
Yeah, but wait.
May turn ako.
Can we get
Ano,
that?
tatanggal.
Wala na.
Thank you. Ano na? Ah.
Umiwan ng villager. Ah. Pwede dito sa above, kung abot. Oo.
Matry.
Oh, pumutok yung balon.
Gadger punch. I feel like dun nga sa chest na yun.
Pwede dito. Ow. Pwede dito.
Ayun nga.
Pwede, try na.
Dinig sa akin. Gusto lang natin.
Oh yeah, forgot.
Sa-
Wala na akong stamina.
Sada?
Nasa right side.
May safe spot dito.
Hold on. Damn. Hawak ko nga pala. Pandoras nga ako. Oo.
No.
Nangyari sa'yo.
I'm dying.
No!
Wait lang, Prince.
I'm gonna remember.
Ayaw mo ba umakit sa doon? Nakakita ko.
No, dude, I can't. Actually, hold on. I can go down here and chill.
Wow.
The ghost of appreciation, Gagi. Thank you, man. Is that good?
Yeah, ano dito siya. Tara, akit tayo agad.
Ayaw ba? You want milk?
Todo, why you so grumpy?
Ano?
Apa to?
Why you so grumpy?
Pabat. Guys, it's a big chest. Oh,
Oh, Lala.
Oh, chain.
grab?
ba yan?
No, grappling.
Rope lang. Oh,
Oh, never mind.
May space ka ba, bro? Wait lang, I'm just...
Bandage.
What does it do? 45 din.
May bandage dito.
it's everybody's milk.
Prince, kailangan mo bandage?
I'm good. I'm not damaged.
Todo, kailan mo ba ng healing? Meron, nasa akin pa yung ano, magic juice. Potion, whatever.
I'm just hungry. I'm just really hungry.
How hungry.
We can,
I could eat a
that-
whole forest right now.
Grabe talaga yun, ano? Nakikita namin mga chicken.
Mainoke?
Gang, I have an idea.
That's not good.
I don't know if it's a good
As an
idea. I
idea.
have 2 rope launchers. Gagawin
Over
ko.
there.
You know, you just shoot it there.
Over here.
No, just
Shoot
shoot
it
it.
here.
Shoot it there.
Shoot it here. Why are you gonna shoot it there?
May daan sa
Shoot
taas,
it
oh.
here.
Soda, sa likod mo. Ano, may daan. Akit lang kayo.
Oh, never mind. Guys, we don't need.
Okay.
Parang gusto mo lang gamitin eh.
Yeah.
Bro,
Just
it's finding
funny
an
excuses.
excuse.
Just funny
Bro is not
excuses.
that man.
Funny ka. Okay, dito nga. Ang daming daan.
I think mas maganda to.
Oh, may chest! Sa likod mo.
Where? Ano? Said how much? Medyo malayo siya.
How much?
How much do you
10
have, friend?
centavos.
Kanina pa to sa how much? My greedy ass.
Kung naunahan si Soda, sa'yo na yan.
Bro, already there.
Uy, payong.
Tayo.
Open close man, open close man.
Oh! I have a better one. Oh!
Wait! Ah!
Boom.
Wait! Wait! Wait!
Tanggalin mo yung payong. Oh, naraglag na yung umbrella mo.
Yeah. Wait, meron kang gano? Meron kang storage?
No. Kaya wala na.
Gamitin mo na yung rope. Marami namang rope launcher.
No said.
Saan kayo?
Naantay ko si Soda.
Or iwan mo yung umbrella. Oh,
There's two chests over here, pero nasa babad na babad ng araw.
Well, I did not meant to do that.
See that over there? There's
Pangit
two
naman ng
chests.
spawn na yun. Wait, hindi pa naman to
Babad na
burning
babad ng
sa...
araw dun.
Ah,
Oh, there.
abot ka ba?
Naman yan.
uy.
Oh, food! Sino gusto ng food?
Mi. Si Soda mo, si Soda mo na, si Soda mo na.
Hindi, ikaw muna. Ikaw, I think you're more hungry.
Am I? I don't know.
Are you?
Pero
Feed us one by one, pre.
Kasi Miguel.
Meron multiple uses naman yun eh.
Okay na yan.
Ayan.
Ano yung isa?
No, come back here, pre. You need a full belly.
Medkit.
Gusto mo na yun, Prince?
Ah,
Put full energy si Soda.
May medkit dito.
I'm not damaged.
And may hook ulit.
Dude, tatlo na dude. Tatlo na yan ako pag ginab ko yun.
Wait lang.
Tatlo yung rope launcher
Prince,
ko.
barilin mo yung grab.
it.
Barilin mo yan. Para magamit na yan.
Bang.
Why, dude?
Hindi.
There's another one over here.
May isa pa.
I can grab it.
But the medkit, I'm thinking about it.
Uy! Whoa!
I got it.
Bato mo na lang yung coral mo, pre. Ano? Hindi natin kailangan yung coral. Ang dami natin, ano?
Kunin mo.
I can't grab it. Wait, I can't grab it.
No!
There, lagay ko sa'yo yung...
Ibabato ko sana somewhere eh.
Ay,
You can grab it.
Para magamit naman.
I've been itching.
May ano ba to? Use? Yung para to?
No. Infinite use siya. Pero may ano, may limit yung pagka-hold.
One of you guys now.
Nakuha mo rin. Where do
Pero
we...
puno na, puno na,
Oh, Fred!
puno na inventory ko. Wait, what do I do?
Lagay mo... Ano yung nasa ano mo? Main hand?
Ato.
Mix.
Oh. Rope, titan, and parasol.
Oh, magkakaparehas tayo. We're cooked, pre.
Wait, do we, ano? Do we go back?
Wait, I have an idea. Hold on.
Abot ka ba?
Probably.
Oh, pito?
Abot ka, pero ubos lang stamina.
Wait, may dami ba dyan?
Hold
Oh,
on.
may chest.
Wait lang, dyan muna kayo.
Okay na yan. Sa likod mo. Oh,
And-
tapos diretso na...
Energy drink.
Uy, red for Miguel.
You are so right.
I'm ready,
I'm ready. Prince!
What?
Saan ka
Oh,
punta?
pero may combo sa ano. Parasol. Mas mabagal ano mo.
Wala.
Ah, okay. Sasa lang. May ano.
Mabagal.
I don't know. Bila na ba doon?
Saan kayo? Eh, sasabihin ko na. Soda, may daanan kanina doon.
Oh, ayan.
Bala na nga.
Akit ka lang dyan, makita mo sila. Ay, nasa butas.
Ano ba?
Hello, Mig.
Oh, yo. I have a balloon.
Yay. Just like Fortnite.
True.
Now what?
Alit na ng balon mo. Mawawala na.
Now what?
Dude, mukha tong fishy. Mukha tong wiener.
I think lang dito.
Yeah, I think
This
wala.
angle.
It's a dead end.
I think we just go back.
Ano na dun sa baba? Ano yun? Oh, energy drink.
Yeah, I think we just go back. Walang daan.
Wala ba talaga? This is so unbelievable.
Wait, here?
And then,
Let me check, let me check.
Next spot. Oh, may butas.
meron.
Ayun. Oh, wait. Wala.
Wala daw.
Unless...
Hi.
I think we just go over there.
Yeah, sa kabila tayo. Asan parasol, Prince?
What the hell? Whoa!
Nahulog niya. Kasi wala
Is that a
siyang
mine?
storage.
That's a mine.
It's a mine.
Oh.
Wait, baka may bomba dyan, by the way.
Meron yan.
Get out of my house.
You're dead.
Be careful.
Look
Yeah.
at the my
So that... Oh my god.
Is Soda dead?
No. There's nothing.
Patanggal,
Tapos
Prince.
sabi na, Oregon.
Ooh, I'm a ghost.
Patanggal.
Sa Batangas?
Yeah. I got a boo-boo. She hurts.
Oh.
This is nothing burger.
Nothing.
I'm a ghost.
I get it. Damn.
Ano? It's just
Ay, burger.
Rope ba yun? Is that a rope bandage?
dito.
Ay,
Why so angry?
I want
Ano ba tanggal?
food. I want food. I'm hungry.
Me too, twin. Me too.
Mm.
Okay, not that hungry. Okay.
Prince!
Is there anything?
Oh, I'm barely standing up.
Oh, where do you
There's
turn?
nothing. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Go back, go back, go back. There's nothing, there's nothing.
Up, up.
I have an idea.
Oh,
I don't know.
up,
Yeah.
up.
Oh, meron pa pala.
Kaya nyo akitin ko nasin si Miguel. May spot doon.
That's what
I
I'm
think so.
saying.
Yeah, meron.
What the fuck?
Prince!
What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you alive?
Oh,
my god.
ubos na energy di Prince.
Thank you. That drop is so good, man.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, dire-diretso na siya.
Get, get off! Oh.
So that's
Go left. Yeah, left.
left up.
Ayun o.
Oh, behind.
Ano, may path sa tunnel. Or dyan rin.
I don't see the tunnel. Oh, may food.
Ayun, nasa likod niya.
Food, food.
Nakita ko yun.
Ito?
Gusto mo ba?
This one?
No, you can
Dito.
Okay.
Dito ba?
Patanggal.
Well,
Yeah,
here,
dyan.
here.
Patanggal, Prince. Arigato! That's so sugoi of you, Prince San.
Not like I...
Boy, desu sugoi. Sugoi, sugoi-chan, boy, desu.
It's not like I wanted you to treat you or anything.
Ay, kailangan nyo ng rope.
Konti na lang rope ko. Oh, may cactus pala dun.
So, may path doon.
Prince,
Tatanggal.
Okay na.
Asa kayo, sir? Meron ka ba?
I have
I
food.
think this calls for a throw.
Wait. Ah!
Yeah, but
Hindi. Excuse mo na.
Ito.
You don't have hunger, bro.
Hindi. I have rope.
Ah.
Wait, kaya. Kaya. No, huwag ka mag-drop.
Para kay Prince. I don't know.
Ah!
Okay na?
No, there's more.
Oh, meron pa nga.
Thank you.
tapos ano siya, not dead end.
This cannot be. It is a dead end.
Oh, may butas. You need to shimmy your way.
Saan?
Ay, nasa dead end.
Cave
Not
divers.
Wait. Nakita taas. There's nothing. Wait, there's really nothing.
Oh. Shit. Maybe dito.
Oh my god.
I hate this so much. Babalik nga ako sa butas na yun kanina. Baka makasingit ako.
Ouch.
Babalik ako doon. I must find a way. May crouch ba dito? Yo? Meron ba?
Oh my cave divers.
Nasaan?
Oh! Wait. Wait, baka dali na.
You see my hand?
I see.
Ano na yung time? Dude, you have to squeeze your way in, man. You have to squeeze your way in.
How do I do that?
There you go.
Oh my god.
It's like a...
May shine dito. May shine.
Yeah.
There's something.
No.
No. Dito. Wait.
Buta! Aray ko! I'm
You
gonna
good?
die.
Wait lang, huwag mo na gumalaw.
I'm so hungry.
May potion pa ako. Saan na? Backpack ako.
Wala. Pandora's box. Wala ko na ba nun? Kasi I think the potion is too good.
Saan man to Pandora's box?
Someone died and took Pandora's box.
Sure ka, ayaw mo kunin? Wait lang.
Wait, come back. Oh, that's the last use.
Yari. God damn.
Yari,
Here.
Chain?
What if above dito?
Don't worry guys, I'll scope ahead.
Kaya mo ba i-check dyan?
Chain na.
Ay,
May
Kaya ba yan?
crevasse.
Fuck, dude. Kaya?
Oh, kaya ko tumayo. Isa lang. Never mind, it's a dead end. Muntik na yun.
Okay. I feel like chain. Lock na talaga.
I think this calls for road launcher.
Yeah, dito.
Parang genuine.
Bakit ng POV ko dun?
So, landaan no?
I think wala eh.
Unless... Oh, wait. May butas.
I'm very hungry.
Hindi naman to mountain climbing. It's ass.
So, the
Dead end?
Wala to daan. Oh, wait,
Yeah.
actually.
Dead end?
Dead end.
Yeah, dead end.
Oh my god, where do we go?
Should we go down
Alam
again?
mo, I think this calls for rope launch.
Dead end din dito. Wait, this sucks. There's no way.
Baba tayo. Like, go
Oh,
down,
yun,
down.
Pag-
May pub.
May food dito, may food, may food.
Pangit yung daan.
Ayun na nga yung pug.
Baka may dito?
What if dito?
Shoot my launcher, shoot my rope. Ayun yung pug.
Oo.
Dapat ang layo. Sorry.
Abat yan.
Abot yan, abot to.
Dapat.
I'll scope ahead. May tunnel and... oh. Oh no. Yeah, GG kayo.
Patanggal, patanggal. Ah, never mind. Ah, this sucks. Na-strap tayo dun.
Wala na. Wala na, I think. It's over.
No! This cannot be.
Wala na akong energy. I'm dead.
No! Friends! Don't
It's over for me,
die!
dog. Let me just drop this.
May piton ako. Ano naman?
You have so much to live for.
I'm dead.
Oh, wala na, friends.
Bye-bye.
Oh, na-stuck ko sa ano.
Whatever. Tatalo na ako.
So,
Stop.
man.
Ah. Are you alive?
Ano nangyari? Oh,
You checkpoint!
yung checkpoint? Oo nga no.
Hi guys.
Oh,
I
you're
see.
still
Still
alive.
alive?
Oh,
Yung
so yung...
Yung checkpoint.
Ah, wait, so
checkpoint.
yung
Oh, sa'yo lang
checkpoint,
gumagana.
sa'yo lang.
Oh, you're bugged, pre.
Kaya mo yan?
Bug?
Yeah, you're not
Yeah,
taking
di ka
damage.
naka-froze.
We'll guide you.
You're bugged.
Oh,
Am I?
What if we just jumped off or burned to death?
Try.
ay, cactus. Sa likod na. Sa likod na. Cactus.
Try to follow.
Oh, there you go, there you go. There you go.
Where am I?
Oh,
Uy,
yes.
chest!
Uy, sakto! Sakto!
Yay!
Boom!
Oh my god.
Dynamite!
How is bro still standing? There you go.
There you go. Oh, new fit. That's the word to this part. Sayang yun.
Ang tagal nyo.
That run was so New fit.
Pangit ng natin, generation ng best.
Yeah. Oh, may shades na ako.
You could be Blade na.
I'm a leprechaun!
Ang cute! Dude, ang cute!
How do you have that?
Ano yun? Parang,
How do you have that?
parang nakuha
How do
yan.
how do you have that?
I don't know.
No achievement yun.
How do you have that?
I don't know.
Pwede na akong mommy.
Oh, you mad as hell.
Wait, how do you have that? I want
I
that.
don't, I I don't have the mummy one.
Oh
Why
yeah,
do I have
you.
that?
Oh yeah. Di mo natapos yung forest thingy. You died.
What?
The
What forest?
the treetops, the new.
Oh, true.
I like this. Ito na yung bagong fit
He
ko.
mad as hell.
She was a fairy. Ano nga na yun? Meme na yan?
Ayun nga, he was a fairy.
Ito yung stance ko.
Ayun yung stance. May bagong stance?
Uh,
Oh my god!
sabay.
Oh my god. Wait, oh my god, wait, picture.
Oh yeah, pictures.
Picture. Lahat tayo ano? Visit Bing Bong, liga. Lahat ka.
Sid.
Dapat, I mean, sa last photo, lahat tayo, no? Backflip.
Asan si Sid?
Sino mga-
Sid.
Sino mga...
Asa yung bola?
Wait, I can't backflip.
Sucks. I think you have that. Fairly na.
I don't remember.
Dale.
Dale!
Guys, sinutulak ko lang si Sid ah. It's kinda working.
Paano nung packet?
Pinabuli. Ang wise na matignan ni Sad, gagi. So wise.
Sid!
Continue.
Zed! Yun.
Oh my god.
Uy.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks for pushing me, guys.
Tagal.
Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Backflip.
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 3, 2, 1. Again. Ulit. Hindi tayo sync. Okay.
No.
Ay.
Oh.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
No!
Oh my god, tingnan mo ako.
Okay na yun.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay!
I love this new update. This update is good.
Wah!
Oh wait! What the hell? Pag dalawa, hold hand ka, tapos tumalon ka diretso,
Wait,
yung dalawang kamay mo
Tapos biglang pull. Parang superhero
Ah.
landing. Superhero landing.
Wow,
Tira
son.
mo, pag tumalon ka, hold mo hand mo, tapos tumalon ka pa diretso, yung kamay mo, baka nagda-dive. Foxy,
Oh.
jump scare! Wait, tayo ka nga. Tayo ka nga. Sunset.
I think di mo na kailangan i-hold right click. Yeah, it still does that.
Left click lang, hold mo.
Oh no, wait, kailangan mo tumalon. Ay, ano tumakbo?
Sprint
Run
jump.
and jump.
Sprint jump. Tapos
Yes,
left
sprint
click.
jump. There you go.
Ato, soda.
With that backflip though.
But
That backflip though.
help is stealing my purse. Yeah, but a
But a
backflip.
Arigo.
There's a chance that you can fail. That's cute.
No, I think
Yeah,
kapag
but
tumama
backflip
ka
though.
lang.
No, there's a chance that you fail.
Bawal sa kanya. Arigo. Again. Arigo. Again. Review. Again. Kaya mo ba mamayang gabi sa amin?
Alis ako bukas.
You have work.
I'm gonna go to Nike. No, I'm gonna buy
Nike.
clothes for Nike and then punta sa comic book store. Tapos, dude, 5 AM ako. Bakit 5 AM ako? Pasok ko 5 AM.
Bukas?
Wait,
So, hindi maka ano. Yeah,
How many jobs do you
no,
have?
no. Sa anong
Bro.
ginagawa mo?
Na-stuck ako!
Yo! Oh, what? Ano yun, Sid?
Pre, may ina-explain ako dito.
Na-stuck naman ako!
Dude, I was distracted kasi natching ako. Tapos may pagtingin ko sa skin ko, bro was riding me.
Grabe.
May ina-explain ako. May nakita na nag-flyby. Tapos kala ko.
Picture comic mo siya.
Anyway, yeah, sa Sunday,
Ah.
okay po. Sa Sunday, ano pa, so 5 ng umaga. So, hindi makakakakuya.
5?
So, hindi
So, bale. Pwede ka maglaro ng 3. Tara.
Mamaya?
No! Kailangan ko prepare na yun.
No, pre. Ang prepare mo. 2? Tama.
We're tayo 1 hour to
Wait, may nag-message.
No, pre. I can't. I mean, uwi ako 2 p.m. Gising pa ba kayo?
2 p.m? Hell na. Maybe.
2 a.m. tayo.
Unless nag-oo lahat. Sige lang ako. Kaya.
Probably kaya ako. Sunday
Oh my
Sunday
God.
ba?
Sunday bukas eh.
Oh yeah.
We can
I'm so
do.
swag.
Sana walang pasok bukas. Ay, sa Monday.
Wala akong pasok sa Monday. Wala akong pasok sa
Uy!
Ako online lang ako sa trabaho ko sa Monday.
Oh, doorbell.
Ano? Moment, 2 a.m.
Bukas? I mean, Saturday bukas sa akin, right?
Yeah.
So,
Pag
I'm gonna-
uwi mo.
Sa inyo, sa
Yeah.
Depende yan kung
Sabi mo 2 p.m.
No, 2 p.m. yung
Okay.
yung pasok ko sa Sunday. 2 p.m. yung uwi ko sa Sunday.
Pero Saturday bukas. Sa'yo.
Saturday, yeah.
So Saturday na ngayon.
zones, bro.
Sa inyo.
Sa'yo
akin,
rin.
Friday.
Sa'yo rin. 12 na eh.
Friday. No? Hindi pa. 11 pa lang. Daylight saving.
Daylight saving. Bale, 12. Saturday na nga sa inyo.
No, 11 pa lang.
Tanggalin natin yung daylight saving na yan.
Yeah, technically.
What's there to
yes.
save,
Nasa-
pre?
Kaya nga eh.
I never get
Ewan ko,
daylight saving.
yung
What
daylight
are you
saving na
saying?
yun. Wait. I'm
Wait,
confused.
legit though. Para sa daylight saving.
Yeah, daylight saving, yes.
Para sa nga, asking genuinely asking.
Ano lang. Okay pa. Basically daylight saving is just like para meron kaming extra hours sa umaga. That's it.
Off pa lang yung recording ko. Teka.